First, we have to document our cases for many reasons. Second, we have to know how to document. And third, we have to initiate all people for this, because a lot of people that they are not documenting. And the main aim of this lecture is that there is no reason not to document. Hello, I'm Luis Hardan, professor from St. Joseph University in Beirut. I am the scientific director of Star Italiano, board member of the European Society of Cosmetic Dentistry. This is my first time in Budapest, and I'm so happy to see this huge exhibition and the great organization.
What do you think about Dental World? Do you enjoy the event and its atmosphere?
I saw that it's a great event with a lot of great speakers, great workshops, and I see a lot and a huge exhibition with very well-known companies from all over the world.
How has mobile dental photography reshaped patient communication and case documentation in your clinical experience?
I was the first to talk about this topic, and I was the first to make a device for this mobile dental photography. And it's a solution for a lot of problems with dentists, because 95% of dentists all over the world, they don't have a professional camera. So for mobile dental photography, there's a lot of tips and tricks. I wrote a book. I have a device for that, just to make and have high quality pictures for our daily documentation and communication with the lab technician and with the patient.
What essential accessories or settings do you recommend for achieving consistent high quality intraoral images with smartphones?
With smartphones, I'm not using any special lens, only light, because photography is light. There's a lot of tips and tricks. So if they want to know it, I wrote a book about this in Quintessence, about mobile dental photography, and maybe we'll have a workshop for that, and where they can see all, because with our mobile we can make all kind of photography, so there's no limits for the mobile dental photography.
In what ways do you see mobile photography advancing education and remote collaboration in dentistry?
Mobile dental photography now is in all the universities, because the students cannot afford to have a professional camera, so they are all using their phone. But there is a way to use the phone to have a high quality picture. That's why we are doing these lectures, we are doing these workshops, just to show people how to make and to have a great result with the pictures, because documentation is so precious and so important for our daily practice.
What is the take-home message of your lecture?
My take-home message of the lecture is that first, we have to document our cases for many reasons. Second, we have to know how to document. And third, we have to initiate all people for this, because a lot of people that they are not documenting. And the main aim of this lecture is that there is no reason not to document. So if you don't have a professional camera, everybody has a phone, so everybody can have high quality picture, as it was presented in my lecture. Since this is my first time in Budapest in Dental World Congress, as I said, I was amazed by the organization, by the lectures, by the exhibition, and I'm sure that this Congress is evolving. And I'm pretty sure that in 2026 we will have a World Dental Congress, which is amazing. See you there.